Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use field templates, but first let's see what is a field template and why you should use them. A field template is a very powerful feature that will allow you to create reusable fields or group of fields that you can use in your other forms. So for example, I have this field that, as you can see, has some custom labels, placeholder, some conditions and styles. If I want to use this field in another form, I will need to recreate it manually, all the settings, all the condition, everything, which will be very time consuming, especially if I want to use it in several forms. But with field templates, I just need to click here in Export as Template. I will put a name, my template, and that's it. Now my template is created and I can use it in another form. Let's do an example. I will open another form, this one, and then I will add my template just as I will add any other field. It will download the template, and this is important. Let's go back to my field. As you can see, it is using two conditions, and in this condition it is using this dropdown. So I created a template only for this field, not for this other dropdown. So the form is telling me that this template is using needs a drop-down field to create the validation. So it is letting me assign another drop-down that exists in this other form. Then I will click create, and that's it. As you can see, my field was created. This template created only one field, but I could also use group panels, repeaters, or any other field container to create templates for a group of fields. So for example, I could create a group field. I will add some random fields. And then I could create a template for this group panel, which will also include the fields inside it. So I will name my template group panel. It will create the template, and then I will say this form, and I will refresh it. And then I can see my group panel. I will double click on it. It will download the template again. And as you can see, it will add all the fields that my group panel had.